We already talked about how to look for the measures of central tendency when it comes to ungrouped data. Last week, we talked about how you can make your own frequency distribution table. Now, using that information, how do you find the mean? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, like I said in the intro kanina, we're going to talk about the mean when it comes to grouped data. So for bigger number ng data, yung mga tipo 100 or even more, we really have to use the frequency distribution table. Kasi otherwise, magiging masyadong tedious yung paghahanap ng measures of central tendency. Pero with that comes a different set ng instructions when it comes to finding your mean, mode, and median. Sa video na ito, mean muna tayo. Okay, now before we talk about that, just a quick little plug if you want to help support this channel and our cause to democratize education in the Philippines. One way for you to do that is to be a channel member. If you find anyone with yung name nila na may kasamang icon ng ating Team Lyqa logo, please thank them kasi sila yung mga channel members natin who are helping support this channel so I can keep making free content for you. And if you want to join that elite group ng mga Team Lyqa members, the rookies, the members, and the MVPs, you can click right here sa I button to find out more information about that. And now that we have that out of the way, I'm going to switch over to my PC so I can explain this better to you. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so pag-usapan natin kung paano makuha yung mean when it comes to group data. Yun natin hihimayin kung paano gumawa ng frequency distribution table. If you haven't seen the lesson nun, ililink ko na lang din sa taas kasi time-consuming yung part na yon. So, hiniwalay ko talaga itong mga lessons na to para isa-isahin natin. Ang nangyayari kasi minsan, pag inaral natin, sabay-sabay natin silang inaaral. So, nagiging challenging kasi ang daming kailangan i-memorize agad. So, unahin natin yung mean ngayon. Just a quick review, sabi natin, statistics is all about collecting and understanding data. So, collecting, ibig sabihin, dito papasok yung pag nagsasurvey tayo or nagko-collect tayo ng data. Tapos, yung understanding, yun yung kung paano natin ito i-analyze, i-present sa mas madaling maintindihan na manner. Doon na rin pumapasok yung measures of central tendency yung tinatawag, kagaya ng mean. Ang mean, ang simpleng definition niya is that it is the sum of all the numbers doon sa loob ng dataset, tapos i-divide mo sa number of elements. Now, in this case, ito yung data rin na ginamit natin last time. Meron kang 100 na numbers, no? Doon sa ating table. Ginroup na natin siya. So, gumawa na tayo nitong basic na frequency distribution table. Pero this time, ang kukunin na natin is yung mean. Alright, so ito yung formula for yung mean pagdating sa group data. Tinatawag din siyang estimated mean kasi hindi na literal na i-add natin lahat ng numbers so i-divide natin sa kung ilan sila. May mga steps tayong gagawin kasi in most group data, hindi na binibigay yung mismo ring listahan ng numbers. Binibigay na sa atin yung table. So, anong gagawin natin pag ganon? So, yung estimated mean natin or yung mean natin, yung X na may bar sa taas, magiging formula niya is yung sum. Ito yung ibig sabihin nitong symbol na to. So, sum, ibig sabihin i-add mo lang sila lahat. Yung summation ng lahat ng class frequency. Okay, ibig sabihin ilan yung mga pumasok doon sa class na yon or sa range na yon. So, kung kaya meron tayong 51 to 55, ilan yung pasok doon. Tapos, yung midpoint of the class. Pag sabi natin midpoint, ibig sabihin i-divide natin siya. Ano yung average, ano yung nasa gitna nung dalawang dulo nung class na yon. I'll show you this later, don't worry. And then yung n natin is the total frequency or ilan sa lahat yung mga numbers na nandun sa buong set. Now, para mas visual, gagawin natin siya with yung dataset natin na meron na tayo. Now, part of that is building yung table natin. So, we started with this. Ito yung mga IQ scores. Ito yung frequency sa bawat isang class. So, ito yung tinatawag natin class. No? Now, ano na yung gagawin natin? Now, dun sa formula natin, ang ginagamit na terms, ito yung F would be yung frequency ng class. So, ito na yung mga yan yung F. Tapos, yung X na ito, yan naman yung midpoint or gitna nung bawat isang class. So, paano natin kukunin yung X na yan? Okay, yun muna yung gagawin natin. So, i-label natin yung ating table. Gawin natin X. Okay. Ano yung x na yan? Yan yung gitna nitong dalawang to. So, sa case ng 81 to 90, ang pwede natin gawin is, we will just add 81 and 90, tas i-divide natin yan sa 2. Okay? So, yan yung gagawin natin for everything. So, 81 plus 90 is 171. I-divide natin siya sa 2. That would be 85.5. So, ibig sabihin, ang midpoint nito would be 85.5. Tapos, we will do it with 91 and 100 uli. So, 91 plus 100 over 2. So, that is 191 divided by 2, magiging 95.5. Now, hindi ko na siya manually gagawin sa lahat kasi this is a quick trick that I use when I answer statistics, lalo na sa mga exams na may time limit. You would start noticing a trend kasi ang role nga ng class is that dapat yung numbers na sa loob ay the same. So, sa bawat isa nito, may tigsa 10 numbers. Okay? So, may pattern dyan. So, what we could do would be just to keep adding 10. So, dito, this is 105.5. Ito, 115.5. Ito, 125.5. Tapos, ito, 135.5. Okay? But again, kung sasabihin ng teacher, show your solution, or if you have extra time, pwede nyo siya i-calculate manually. And hindi siya automatic na plus 10 every time, ha? In this case, it's plus 10 kasi nga 10 yung laman ng bawat class natin, or yun yung width or length ng class. But again, if you want, i-manual natin, 131 plus 140 is equal to 271. Divided by 2, 135.5. So again, ganun lang din yung gagawin natin sa lahat. Okay? So nilagay ko lang dyan para mas mabilis tayo ngayon. Tapos, next natin hahanapin would be yung fx na. Okay. So ano yung fx? F is yung frequency natin. I-multiply natin doon sa middle ng bawat class. So itong dalawang itong sides, i-multiply natin ito. Okay? So, yan yung gagawin natin dito para makuha natin yung fx or yung frequency times yung midpoint or gitna ng bawat class. So, magsisimula tayo sa taas. We have 19 times 85.5. So, there we have 1,624.5. Tapos, bababa lang tayo. So, now we have 95.5 naman. Mumultiply sa 19. So, that is 1,814.5. Tapos, we have 14 times 105.5. So, that is 1,477. Next, we have 15 times 115.5. So, 1,732.5. Tapos, ito, 20 times 125.5 is 2,510. Tapos, 13 times 135.5 is 1,761.5. So, you kind of get yung ginagawa natin per line. Okay? So, again, babalik tayo dun sa reminder ko sa inyo when it comes to statistics, it's all about attention to detail. Kasi after you do this, i-add na natin siya lahat. So, doon na papapasok yung summation niya, di ba? Yung sum niya lahat, itong mga ito, i-add natin yan lahat. So, the answer would be 10,920. Okay? Now, if you're using a calculator, yung iba kasi di ba siya nawawaglit natin minsan, parang tama ba yung pagkakatype ko ng lahat? Kung gusto nyo siya i-check, one way to do this would be, what you're going to do, nakuha mo na yung 10,920, isisimula mo ngayong i-subtract lahat sila pabalik. So, that's how I check kapag meron akong ginagamit na calculator sa exam. So, ima-minus ko lang lahat. Dapat ang ending niya 0. So, ibig sabihin nun, kahit pagbalik-balik rin mo, tama yung sagot natin. Okay? So, that's just a tip na pwede kong iwan sa inyo para you wouldn't make the same mistake na yung tipong sinolve na natin lahat tapos mali pala. Okay? So, yan. The answer here would be 10,920. Okay? Now, chinek ko na. Ginawa ko lang, sinubtract ko yun. Tapos, ang ending naging 0. Ngayon, isosolve na natin to. Kasi kompleto na tayo ng lahat ng information na kailangan natin. So, the mean is equal to yung sum ng f and x. So, that would be this. 10,920 over yung n. Now, ano ba yung n? Ang sabi natin, n is yung total number ng frequencies. Ito yung n natin ngayon. Okay? So, i-divide natin siya sa 100. O, madali lang kasi kahit na hindi ko gamitan ng calculator, pag divide mo siya sa 100, pwede mong i-move lang yung decimal place 2 times. 1, 2. So, ang answer, ang ating estimated na mean is 109.2. Okay? So, yun na yung answer natin. Alright? So, again, ganun when it comes to solving for yung mean kapag grouped yung data. Now, if you notice, kung saan ko ilalagay na class yung 109, it should be around here. So, parang ito yung, dito nakapaloob sa class na yan yung ating mean. Okay? So, again, that's 109.2. Now, iba yung formula for median and mode. We will cover that in the next videos. Today, mean muna. And I want you to develop the practice of solving these isa-isa and paying attention to detail. So, we're going to have our quick quiz, and that's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you time to complete the table and find kung ano yung mean. Don't worry, lalagay ko rin yung formula. Okay? So, if you're ready with your pen and paper, your timer starts now. Alright, let's see how you did. So, ito yung ating data. If you notice, kung familiar sa inyo, ito rin yung ginamit natin dun sa building ng frequency data table natin last time. Ito rin yung gagamitin natin for our median and mode in the following weeks. Pero ang importante kasi doon is para mapagbangga-bangga natin sila in the future. So, now that we have this, kunin muna natin yung x or yung midpoint ng bawat class. So, in this case, that would be, to solve it, 61 plus 65 over 2. So, kung i-add natin 61 tsaka 65, that would give us 126. Okay? Tapos, i-divide lang natin siya sa 2 para makuha natin yung gitna. That would be 63. Now, yung next, we have 66 naman plus 70. So, that is 136 divided by 2. That is 68. Now, you notice, dito naman ang pattern niya is plus 5. Ang dahilan kasi bawat class ay tigfa 5. So, if you want, you can keep solving like this. Or, kung nagmamadali tayo, you can just put 73 here. Nagdagdag lang ako ng 5. 73 plus 5 is 78. This is going to be 83. This is 88. This is 93. And then this is 98. Okay? So, para lang mas mabilis siya. So, nagdadagdag lang ako ng 5. But again, if you want to make sure, or your teacher says show your solution, you have to do this sa lahat. Next, we're going to go for the product of f and x. So, i-multiply na natin yung 15 sa 63. So, that will give us 945. Tapos, 17 naman times 68. That is 1,156. Yung 73 times 10, madali lang. Dadagdagan mo lang ng 0 sa dulo yung 73. So, 730. 14 times 78 is 1,092. 11 times 83 is 913. Okay? Tapos yung 15 times 88, you can just put 880 plus 440 kung gusto mong medyo mas mabilis. Yun yung style natin, di ba, when it comes to multiplying two-digit numbers. Or kung gusto nyo, kung may calculator kayo, pwede nyo nang i-solve. That is 1,320. Tapos, now you have 11 times 93. Again, may technique din tayo sa 11 pero hindi ko na i-explain here. That is 1,023. Tapos, 7 times 98 is 686. Okay? So, now, i-add natin sila lahat. Kung meron kang scientific calculator, mas mabilis. Okay? Kasi, pwede mong i-program ng tuloy-tuloy yun. Tapos, siya na yung magsusolve ng diretso. Pero kapag manual calculator, which some professors prefer pagdating sa basic statistics, mano-mano nyo yung gagawin yun. So, 7,865. Again, to check, isusubtract ko yung 686. Paurong naman. Tama tayo sa checking nito. Yung 100 ang ating total frequency. Now, we can solve for the estimated mean. Equals siya dun sa 7,865 divided by the n, which is 100. So, ang ating estimated mean, i-move lang natin again yung decimal point na ng beses kasi 100 naman siya. That would give us 78.65. Okay, so saan siya banda? That would be somewhere here. Now, again, isi-stress ko lang na minsan hindi 100 yung total na number ng frequency. So, kailangan natin siya talaga i-divide manually. Pero in this case, 100 lang kasi I want you to really hone in on yung observational skills ninyo and kung gaano kayo ka-detailed. Okay? So, yan yung ating answer for this exercise. And I hope you got this correctly. If you didn't, that's okay. Baka may mga na-miss lang tayo ng mga details here and there. Pero pair this with yung video natin on creating your frequency distribution table. Hopefully, meron na kayong solid na sense ng kung paano, ano yung ginagamit na tables sa statistics. Kasi, yung formula for the median and mode is going to be a little more complicated. Kaya I wanted to start out with the mean muna para maging mas confident kayo. Sa susunod natin pag-uusapan yung ibang parts. Okay? Now, if you want more practice, we'll be posting more information sa ating mga social media accounts. Specifically, kapag may mga bagong worksheets sa ating Instagram accounts din. So, quick story function natin. You can follow me at Lyqa Maravillo on Instagram. And for the other announcements naman for the team, you can follow the at Team Lyqa account on Instagram. Kung may TikTok account naman kayo, we are on TikTok din at Team Lyqa for the educational videos, math, language, and other topics. And for the more personal stuff, yung mga look into yung mga personal kong life, the motivational videos, advice videos, reaction videos, those are going to be on my personal account at Lyqa Maravilla. Okay? See you guys online. Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends, lalo kung mag-exam din sila. Dati mas marami tayong matutulungan. Next time, we're going to talk about the median and mode naman. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell icon para hindi nyo miss yung mga paparating pa lang ng mga lessons. If you want to reach out to me directly, want to get you ating reviewers, see the stuff that I make for the team, also to watch out for any announcements ng ating mga ibang mga ganap, mga webinars, and other special surprises that I have planned for you, including free worksheets. You can visit our Facebook page, so www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa. Alright? Thank you guys for watching. As we always say sa channel na to, never stop learning. Aja, aja. Kaya niyo yan. I'll see you in my next video, and bye for now.